When I get like a really nice like plate of food, like I just enjoy it and I appreciate it so much. So being on the other side of that and being able to give that experience to someone else. And if it's like beautiful and like well made and well thought out and everything blends well together, that's a good meal right there. Right now, I really enjoy experimenting with like new stuff. So like stuff I haven't like tried before or in like different flavor combinations. So like it kind of opens my mind. Since I'm like making all this stuff, it's kind of like eye-opening in a way. When I see someone else make something, it gives me like ideas to make something myself or make tweaks on things that I've made before to like make it into something new.